beautiful drive over here at Mount St. Helens, and I thoroughly enjoyed this little road trip up in the mountain. It's really nice to get like a up-close view of the mountain, and this is a really beautiful, breathtaking drive and view. Highly recommend it. There are so many viewpoints. I'm not at a viewpoint, but I'm just taking photos of what I'm seeing across. Back on May 18th, 1980, an eruption occurred here in the state of Washington. This eruption was considered one of the deadliest and catastrophic events from a volcano in the whole country. Mount St. Helens is the most active volcano in the Cascades Range. This area is located right outside a gift shop, which is in the Forest Learning Center, and you get this ultra beautiful view. And right after, you could just walk right into the gift shop just to check out things or get yourself a little souvenir.
Tracy said we've had that before. I don't remember. It might even be a new item, because I remember the one with...
This is the Johnston Ridge Observatory, and it was named after David Johnston, who was a volcanologist, and he passed away during the event of the eruption, sadly. This other stop is the Castle Lake viewpoint, and you could overlook the Castle Lake from afar. Okay, I'm at Sequest State Park, and this was a very spontaneous visit. I don't even know if this is a trail that I'm walking through, but we're about to find out as I'm walking through this beautiful forest in Washington. I do not recommend doing this and seeing what's out here spontaneously. I'm not even staying in Washington, but so far looks really pretty.